Welcome back to Perks and Prizes. In this video, we're going to go over some promotions that certain casinos are having this holiday weekend, which is the 4th of July holiday weekend here in the United States, as well as some promotions, some multiplier days that will occur throughout the month of July. Now, ideally, hopefully you live close to one of these casinos. You might want to consider visiting on those particular days so you can maximize your tier credits, so you can get that much closer to your next tier status, or you just simply want to earn more reward credits. You know, if you're going to be gambling and spending your hard-earned money, might as well try to get the most value from those. All right, so our first one, we're going to go with the Caesars properties first, and then Unity by Hard Rock. To my knowledge, I couldn't find many. Of course, they have giveaways and drawings and stuff. But as far as multiplier days, I didn't see much on the MGM Rewards front. So this video is going to primarily go over three scenarios, three examples, two from the Caesars Rewards properties and one from Unity by Hard Rock. The first one is Caesars Southern Indiana, which is in Elizabeth, Indiana, which is right on the river, the Ohio River, right across from the city of Louisville, Kentucky. And it's kind of out there by itself, so I understand if not many people live around there. But if you do, or if you're willing to make the trip this holiday weekend, you're looking for something to do, this Saturday, July 4th, 12 a.m. through Tuesday, July 7th at 11:59 p.m., they are having a 10 times multiplier, tier credit multiplier. So if you're trying to get to even platinum, if you're trying to get to platinum, diamond, certainly diamond plus. I think diamond is the sweet spot, maybe even diamond plus. Not everybody thinks it's worth it to get 7 stars, as much as spent money that you have to spend and gamble to get to 7 stars. This is a very smart, strategic way to easily get to diamond status at the Caesars Rewards properties. I think that's a very attainable goal, especially when you take advantage of the 10-time tier credit multiplier days. And it's important to know that it's capped at 40,000 tier credits, and you got to swipe your card. So as soon as you go in there into the property, please hit that kiosk, swipe that card, or it's not going to count. You just can't show up and start playing on the machine. You got to activate that promotion. So a 10 times tier credit multiplier promotion at Caesars Southern Indiana. It's a great way to spend your holiday weekend and have a little fun gambling. Hopefully you win some money, but at the very least you're going to get 10 times tier credits that can help you get to your next level. Another one that occurs at the Caesars properties is at Harrah's Resort in Southern California. Their promo is they have 10 times rewards credits. Now that's a difference. Remember, there's a difference between tier credits and reward credits. The Caesars Southern Indiana promotion was 10 times tier credits. The Harrah's Resort Southern California promotion is 10 times rewards credits, which you can use on food, hotel stays at Caesars properties. So they're having that on slots and tables games. Now it's important to note it's 10 times on slots and tables games. But if you love video poker, like I like playing video poker, it's only 5 times on video poker. It's very, very important to know that. But that's okay, because if you're halfway decent at video poker, you can last longer. You can make your money last longer. You can spend more time playing, because your bankroll lasts longer on video poker, because the casino doesn't have quite the edge like it does on a slot machine. So 10 times reward credit multiplier on slots and table games at Harrah's Resort, Southern California, and 5 times on video poker. And that's this Sunday, July 5th. Now the final one we want to look at is Unity by Hard Rock, specifically at the Seminole Hard Rock Hollywood location. Really enjoy my time there when I visit Hollywood, Florida. Love their pool, love the whole resort they got there. So they have a 5 times Unity point multiplier this Saturday, July 4th, from 7 a.m. to 6:59 a.m. Sunday morning. But they also have 5-time tier credit days throughout the month of July. So you have 5 times tier credit multiplier every Tuesday in July from 7 a.m. to 6:59 a.m. You got 5 times Unity Point multiplier, like I said, on Saturday, July 4th. And then you also have a 2 times Unity Point multiplier on Wednesday, July 22nd from 7 a.m. to 6:59 p.m. So yeah, make sure you read the details. It gets hot. It's hot a lot of places in the United States right now as I record this. But certainly down in South Florida, if you're trying to beat the heat, get inside a cool AC on one of these multiplier days. And so you can increase your status, reach those next tier levels at Hollywood, Florida, but it applies to the different Hard Rocks, Seminole properties there in the great state of Florida. So those 3 promotions are going on if you're trying to increase your tier status with Caesars Rewards, and you want to earn some more rewards points. You got some options with Caesars Southern Indiana, 10 times tier credit multiplier. Fabulous, wonderful, take advantage of it if you're in the area. The Harrah's Southern California Resort, that's a good way to increase your reward points. And if you're a fan of the Hard Rock brand and you're trying to reach your next Unity status, your next Unity level status, then consider visiting Seminole Hard Rock Hollywood on one of those days, one of those multiplier days. We're trying to extract as much value as we can from the casinos and the rewards programs. It's so hard because the deck's stacked against us, because that's just how casinos are. We're up against it. I think everybody knows that, but we still like to be entertained, have fun, enjoy ourselves, get free trips, get free food and comps. So this is one way that you can take advantage of their loyalty programs and their rewards programs. So if you like this video, and if you hadn't already, subscribe to Perks and Prizes, and that way you get the latest videos from this channel. Also check out my videos that it kind of explains the Unity by Hard Rock tier status, tier credits, different levels of Caesars Rewards, different levels of the MGM properties. I think that might be useful. And I'll put these links in the video description below so you can have access to them. And if you're not doing anything this holiday weekend, you might want to take advantage of some of these multiplier days. But at the very least, have a great, safe 4th of July weekend. Happy birthday, 250th birthday, America. All the best, and I hope you win big.